Welcome, friends. Thanks for being here. Today, I want to share a sweet story with you. Let's relax and enjoy it together. You're not alone. Sarah was always a bit anxious, especially when it came to new things. The thought of change filled her with worrying, and often her fear would stop her from taking the first step. She had always kept this to herself, believing no one would understand, until she met Daniel. Daniel was kind, with a calming presence that made Sarah feel safe. As they spent more time together, Sarah found herself opening up to him. One evening, as they sat under the stars, Sarah confessed, "Sometimes I'm afraid of everything. I don't even know why." Daniel smiled softly. "You're not alone," he said. "We all have fears, even if we don't show them. What matters is how we face them, and we don't have to do that alone." From that day, Daniel became her anchor. Whenever Sarah felt overwhelmed, Daniel was there to remind her that it was okay to be scared, but that she didn't have to face her fears by herself. Their relationship grew stronger because they supported each other, accepting each other's vulnerabilities. Moral: we all have fears, but love can be a powerful source of strength. Sometimes sharing your fears with someone who cares can make all the difference. You don't have to face life's challenges alone. I'm so glad you spent this time with me. If you liked the story, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Take care, and see you next time.